So I had done all these pavers here. I sealed them, and of course, there's some footprints on the deck, and that was like a week ago. So I said to myself, maybe it'll just wear off, no big deal. It didn't, and these are like the footsteps you can see here. Look closely or whatever. There's some shoe prints in there. So then it rained, and then it started to beat up. Like it wasn't like sealing up. It's a weird wood anyway, but you could really see the shine here. I'm like, you know what? Let me see if I could just seal it with this. I know they have sealers and stuff, but this silicone is so strong that it really is amazing. It's pretty cool. The protective wet look sealer. So I'm like, you know what? Let's see if I could do this deck. If it doesn't work, I could sand it. Kind of does need to be redone, but I said, let me see if I could just seal it. So far, so good. It's drying pretty quick. I got the fan on too. It's a hot day. I'm trying to do before the sun hits over here, and then it will really bake it in. But maybe it's like a hack or something like that you could try yourself. This silicone's so amazing. I was even thinking about hitting that rubber storage box to see almost like if it's like armor roll, and maybe it will take. I got another piece over here. Let me do that right now, actually, while I'm doing the video. Of course, I'm gonna seal myself out of my house. That's how it always goes. But I was kind of interested. It's a little dirty, but just do a little part. Yeah, that might really take. Let me clean this off, and I was also thinking this needs to get cleaned. Let's just do a little zone. This might just even protect it. Let's see how it does, because it is baking right now. This is like the ultimate test. Whether or not it will adhere to it. May not look that good, but you know what? I was thinking about doing it just to kind of reflect a lot of the sunlight off this stuff, and so it doesn't fade out so much. I have a few of them. So these are just interesting ideas, whatever. They might even be good for tires. You never know. I might try it on my car to see how long it lasts. So, as you can see, come on, big difference, Definitely is. I got the fan running on it. It seems to be drying. I mean, once this sun moves over, it's going to really bake itself in. See what the end result is. You never know. It could come out like crap. Who knows? But like I said, the footprints, I said, it's holding. So I think this whole thing should hold up in the rain, everything. So it probably will protect it even better. Washing this off before I do it, but I did this little spot, and look at this. You could already see how it's beating up. So this thing should actually work out pretty nice, almost like a car where you're kind of coating it. And the biggest problem is, of course, the sun's rays. The sun really does destroy everything, and I do want to keep this. Look how terrible it looks as it's drying just from water. So now I just did this one. Actually had it in the shade. I just pulled it into the sun to see what's going on, and maybe get it to dry even quicker. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing, but it is what it is. Yeah, you can see like the little spots that I missed because I couldn't see them. Then again, who knows, maybe it's just drying already. Alright. This thing will bake on it. Big difference. This one's a little newer, if I'm not mistaken. This is the newer one. And so this one's gonna look better anyway. I even did the sides because you know what? The sun is just so terrible on stuff that I want to make sure that everything is just coated. And I hate when stuff fades. It really sucks. So there you go. Now I'm going to do the other one. Now that one should be a very big difference because that one is very, very faded. Did half. You can see the sun starting to come over, but here it is in the shade. You could definitely see the difference here. Look.